Hi, I'm Neil from Ellen James. We specialise in all sorts of home improvements, kitchens and bathrooms, and also a lot of handyman work. This is some handyman work that we really don't cherish. I'm just going to show you an example of a rented property that we've been asked to come and do some remedials. So one little thing, the carpet down here, it's all fraying and whatnot. Somebody's just put a load of silicone over it, and so we're going to have to put a new threshold strip. Patch on the wall, don't know what's caused that, looks like water or something, don't know where it's come from, but we've got to rectify that, so we scrape it all back, fill it, ready for the decorator. Absolutely stinks in here. Right, so this is a kitchen. Brace yourself. This house is going to be rented in this situation, which is quite sad, really, in my opinion. If you want to vomit, feel free. Lovely cupboard doors. Look at that. Now, mine came here about a year and a half ago. Put that new extractor in. Lovely light fitting. And this is your kitchen sink cupboard. How about that? This is going to get rented out. Look at that oven. Would you cook in that? I wouldn't actually turn the oven. I wouldn't actually turn the hob on, let alone cook on it. Nice heater in the kitchen. Let's go through and show you the bathroom. Bathroom's not too bad, to be fair. I've seen an awful lot worse. Someone's had an attempt at silicone in the sink up. We've got to clean all these tiles. They're not too bad, to be fair. I've seen an awful lot worse. But I went and bought a new one of these. That's not on the list to be done, but realistically, could we not replace that? Anyway, that's Reading Borough Council allowing somebody to rent and live in a house like this. So that's Neil from Ellen James doing a little bit of handyman work around Berkshire.